Hi, this is the Cookology freestanding microwave, 800 watt, 20 litre capacity, and a 25 centimetre turntable. So I'm going to just boil some water in it. Just open up the door there and put in a cup of cold water. I'm only going to do one setting today, which is the quick setting, which involves just pressing a button, as I just do there. So I just press it for a 2-minute cooking time, and we're on our way here. So it's cooking okay anyway. That's the manual, and it shows you other cooking techniques on how to look after the actual microwave. Right, so that's nearly done now. Just a few more seconds, and bingo. Ooh. Boiling hot water. Time to make a cup of tea now. In with a tea bag, give it a quick stir. I've put sugar in already, so no worries. How about a bit of milk now? Get that tea bag out first. Yeah. Oh, so that's a lovely cup of tea made anyways from this actual microwave. It's 800 watts, so it cooks fast. So okay, like and subscribe.